Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorible, how to create a website for your home and garden business on your Dorible, easy and quick. First, type Dorible on search like this. Dorible, as we know, is a website that offers products or services that are designed to last a long time and resist wear and tear. And also, as we know, you can build a website with AI in just 30 seconds. Uh, AI websites that can generate an entire website with image and copy in seconds. So, first of all, let's sign in with Google. Create new business. First, enter your business name and enter your industry. And after this, enter your location and choose your website language and create business. And now wait to generate this. So first, let's go to the first section here. Edit it from here. You can change the site name from here, and also you can turn this on and upload a file from here. Also, you can turn this on or turn it off. You can change the label. You can add external link here, and that's it. You can turn this on. You can manage your social link settings, and after this, click here, and it should be saved. And here we find add section. If you want to add a section on the website, so let's move on to the next section. Edit it from here. So here, if you want to change this, if you want to regenerate it like this, and the subtext also here, you can regenerate it. And also here we find the button. If you want to turn this on and add a label here, just enter your label and add external link, and that's it. And click save, and it will be saved. So let's move on to the next section. Also, you can edit it from here. You can regenerate the image like this, and you can also manage image position, and just click save. That's it. Let's move on to the next section. The next section is this, and you can regenerate this if you don't like it, and that's it. Click save, and let's move on to the next section. The next section is here, our services. You can change this. You can also change display settings. You can manage image and icon, the heading, and the content and the button. And after you're done from this, go to the next section. This you can manage this. So the next section is the gallery. It is from here. You can change this, or uh, also here image if you want to generate a new image, or if you want to upload image from browser or from your library, or just from here, some image from here if you want to upload. For me, I will choose okay, I'm gonna choose this, and after this, click save, and it will be saved. So let's move on to the next section. The next section is a location section. can edit it from here, and you can change this. You can also change your address from here, and that's it. Click save and it will be saved. Let's move on to the next section. The next section is this. You can edit it from here. Just here you can regenerate if you don't like this. Also you can manage here files. You can manage this custom import labels. Just turn it on. You can add name. You can add email or message or this. Also you can generate this, and that's it. After this, click save, and it should be saved. So let's move on to the next section. I think this is the last section. It is from here. So here you can edit the business name. You can change it. Also you can turn this on and upload the file from here. And also here you can add additional details, and you can turn this on and add external link. You can also change the label, and also here you can manage the social links, and that's it. Click save and apply this. And before we complete this edition of this website, here any section you can regenerate the content if you want, or you can regenerate the style like this. You can regenerate the entire section. If you don't like the section, just regenerate the entire section. You can duplicate the section if you want, and you can delete it from this icon delete. Just click delete and it will be removed. And also you can move it up or move it down. So this is also here we find the device settings, and here you can ask anything you want. Also here we find the website style settings. You can manage it here. And also here we find the support settings, and here we find the view website settings, and that's it. Click save here. So after you complete this editing of this website, just click publish here, and you're gonna publish you're gonna create your website easy and quick. And that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.